Namaste, children. How are you? I hope that you all are good. In the previous class, we studied the questions from living thing and non living thing. We finished up to 3 questions. Today, we can see fourth and fifth questions. Along with that, thoughts, life skills and values, more to it. The fourth question is, list the parts of the body that help you to feel changes in your surroundings. Fifth question, list 3 ways in which plants are different from animals. Then hearts, life skills and values, more do it. Fourth question, list the parts of the body that help you to feel changes in your surrounding. The parts of the body that helps us to feel the changes in the surrounding are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Fifth question. List 3 ways in which plants are different from animals. Plants produce their own food while animals cannot. Plants are fixed to the soil and cannot move. Most animals can move from place to place. Plants do not have specific sense organs while most animals have sense organ. Next, we are going to see hearts. Hari watched a balloon seller fill a balloon with air. He saw the balloon gets bigger and bigger. When the balloon seller tied the balloon to his cycle, Hari the balloon moved. Hari wonders whether the balloon is a living thing or a non-living thing. Can you help him decide? The balloon is not a living thing. It is a non-living thing because the air present inside the balloon only makes it big. It does not breathe, need food, it does not reproduce and respond to changes or die. So it is a non-living thing. Second, Safia and Anil found some dry twigs in the garden. Safia thinks that they are living things, but Anil said does not. Who is correct? Explain your answer. Anil is correct because dry twigs are not a living thing. They have fallen off from the trees and have died. Life skills and values. Imagine that you want to start an aquarium in a small jar with 1 or 2 small fish. What must you do for your fish to grow? You can do this as an activity. Be sure that you give the fish what they need and watch them grow. What life skills and values you see in this? Interpersonal relationship. Interpersonal relationship. Next one. Lata saw some kittens getting wet in the rain. She could not find the mother cat, so she patted the kittens dry and put them in a place where they would not get wet. What values did Lata show? Helpfulness. Values. What values we saw here? Helpfulness. And Lata helped kittens. More do it. Watch a bud as it grows and perhaps as a fruit forms. What are the dangers that you see is that any path that dies or falls off. Make a note of changes every day. So you see the small bud. That bud means a small plant. See the changes till the dies off and you make a note in the daily you make a note in any notes. Draw any 2 living thing and non-living thing in a note. Along with this, I sent you one worksheet. Name the body part that helps these animals to breathe, fill in the blanks, answer the following questions, and I sent you the answer key also. I send you the answer key to the worksheet. Take your science note and write the question and answer worksheet. Draw the living thing and non-living thing. I hope that you all are understood living thing and non-living thing lesson. Thank you.